morning, besties. It's me. Here's the deal. Number one, it is so loud in here today. I do apologize if you can hear any of my various fans, but it is 97 degrees outside. Second of all, it is an absolute mess in my apartment. I am going to be deep cleaning it. I had a friend come and stay with me to visit this past weekend, so it is an absolute mess. I literally deep cleaned my apartment last week, but since it's such a small space, once a couple things are out of line, everything feels like it's out of line and things tend to pile up extremely quick. So it is now a mess again. I don't even know if people do these videos anymore, if anyone cares, but I figured I would pull the camera out and film this because hopefully that will keep me on track to actually do it. I feel like with shit like this, it's so easy to just be like, I don't feel like doing this and I'll do it another time. But I genuinely really need to do this today because if I don't know how I'm going to continue the rest of the week. I say this all the time, and if you have been watching my videos, you have heard this before, but my room is my sanctuary. I cannot focus or work or be productive or really do anything or have a good mood, honestly, if I'm in a space that is cluttered. When my space is cluttered, my mind is cluttered. I can't function as well as I could if it wasn't cluttered. So that's kind of the predicament I'm in. I'm literally looking around and it's just making me feel, I don't even know how to explain the feeling that I get when I look around and just see shit everywhere. If you know, you know, it's not a good feeling. So today we're gonna do something about that. But first I'm gonna make a very large iced coffee so that I can get some motivation to start. Okay, I'm gonna start my cleaning in the bedroom and then work my way out, I think. Focusing on one room at a time is probably the most effective strategy for cleaning, because I'm just gonna not look at anything else outside of this room until it's done, and then I'll move on to the next one and have the same mindset with that one. It's kind of like the same as taking it one day at a time type of thing, like take it one room at a time and don't look further, because you will probably overwhelm yourself. So let me show you a quick overview of what this room currently looks like. First of all, there's litter everywhere, but I vacuum like every day anyway. So my vacuum, oh, by the way, here's my living room. There's my vacuum. It's charging right now. When it's done charging, I will vacuum up the litter. But here's the state of my bedroom. It has been worse, but I just have clothes all over the place, stuff still out from this weekend, shoes. My bed is obviously a disaster. I need to take the sheets off, clean them, replace them with other sheets. But I feel like my desk is really the point of concern that I need to focus on the most. It always just is the place where I put everything that I don't know what to do with at the moment. It's like a catch-all for clutter. And so it ends up looking like it does right now, which obviously makes me not want to sit at it and do work, which is a problem. So today I really need to like go through and find a place for everything. And if it doesn't have a place, then I need to either make one or get rid of it, you know? Another issue is that I keep buying clothes and I don't have enough hangers for all of them. So my closet is currently packed to the brim. So either I need to get rid of clothes or buy more hangers, which I don't want to do right now. I'm not trying to leave the house today because it's 97 degrees outside. I also feel like I need to get a PO box here so I can sell stuff on Depop, because I don't want to have like my actual address as my return address, you know what I mean? I already have a bag of clothes here in my closet that I want to like sell. So I mean, if I go through my closet while I'm hanging stuff up, which I don't even know if I can hang anything up because I don't have any hangers. But if I find anything that I like definitely know I don't want, I'll just pull it out, and then I need to make a PO box so I can start selling shit on Depop so I don't have this issue. Yeah. Anyway, all right, so I'm gonna start with my bed, take all the sheets off. Also, every time that I have to clean, which is quite often, honestly, I always put on my little headphones. These are the Bose Quiet Comfort 45s. I always have these on. And they're comfy too. They like block out all the noise, and I listen to podcasts probably 99% of the time. And if I'm not listening to a podcast, I am probably listening to a YouTube video that's like just a talking one, so it's pretty much the same as a podcast. Right now I'm listening to Deathbed Confessions. This is one of my favorite freaking podcasts. It's so freaking good. So if you're looking for a new podcast to listen to, I definitely recommend Deathbed Confessions. So I have plenty of content to keep my mind busy while I do all of this, which I've just found is the easiest way for me to get this shit done. I simply can't have quiet in my brain. I have to be like focusing on something else so that I can do these mundane tasks. Anyway, all right, back to my podcast. Let's start cleaning my messy ass room. Sheets. 1, 2, 3 holes in my sheets. There can be only one culprit, and her name rhymes with harlot. Like, what the fuck is that? Okay. Hi, Charlotte. It's me. I just finished my podcast. That was 45 minutes. I'm moving on to my next thing that I'm gonna listen to, and I figured I would update you. Why? I don't know. This one is a YouTube video by Bella Fiore. Oh, I think I know this case. This one is a true crime case. I would also like to make a public statement that I am already feeling light years better than I was when I started this video. So that's good. Hello. Okay, so I cleaned off my desk, as you can see, but I still need to get all of the brick sheddings off of it, and I usually just use my vacuum to get all of that, but my vacuum is still charging. I'm just gonna have to wait until that's done charging to do all of that. And I also just need a vacuum in here in general. The rug here is disgusting. There's litter everywhere. In the meantime, I'm gonna go move into the living room now and start putting some things away there because that has clutter everywhere as well. Oh, fuck. Hold on. Gotta sign a contract really quick. I feel like the living room has seen far worse days than this. This is really mild. Here's the current state of the living room. It's really not that bad. All of this is Charlie's toys, so it's not really much I can do here. Here's my vacuum that's still charging. Over here we have, I should really hang this. This is a mirror that I ordered. It's gonna go right here. And then there's a towel here because last night a big ass roach was in my fucking apartment. Oh my god, you guys. I've never had to deal with a bug that fucking big before. So what had happened was Charlie was following it. She caught onto it before I did. I was confident she had her eye on it and she wouldn't lose it. So while she was doing that, I, quick thinking, ran into the kitchen and I grabbed my like bug spray thing that I have in anticipation for this exact moment, honestly. I haven't even used it yet until yesterday. I removed Charlie from the premises and it ended up running right behind this box in this corner. So that's why this towel is here, because I ended up ending its life. It was right here. So I sprayed the shit out of this whole thing with the spray. And then I was cleaning it up. I just like tried to use some soap and water to get it out of my carpet. And this was here to dry it. So I guess I can pick this up now. Here's my couch. These are all the clothes that were in my room on the floor that I moved out here because they go in my dresser. And then just some other shit. This is gonna be so easy to clean. Probably because I just deep cleaned this place last week, twice. So it really should not be that bad.
To the place, I spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment.
My vacuum is done charging. Ew, my vacuum is done charging, finally.
Lost and in a daze, I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. Moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Fun.
And if you could read my mind.
Hey guys. Oh, what is this lighting? So here's why I'm annoyed. I was sitting in minding my business, watching Love Island UK. I was actually taking off my nails. They were so overgrown. I had them on for a full month, so I took them off so I can put new ones on. And then, all of a sudden, I hear this
agitating, grating,
beeping noise. And I knew exactly what it was. I didn't want it to be true, but I walked over to the kitchen and I discovered that the beeping noise was in fact my godforsaken dishwasher. It does this pretty much like every 3 weeks at this point. It will start beeping and gives me an error that basically means it can't drain for some reason, okay? It did this like a month and a half, 2 months ago, and I literally did like a million things to try and fix it. I eventually did in fact fix it. I thought I was in the clear, and then just now it did it again. Right as it's in the middle of washing like a full load of dishes. I checked under the sink for the hoses, which is what like the problem was last time, to see if any of them, like something was like laying on them or like pushing them or something, and they're fine. So it has to be something clogging something, which means I'm gonna have to open it up, take everything out, take it apart, and try and find whichever filter it is in the machine that is clogged again. Mind you, there is a full load of dishes in there right now. There's water sitting at the bottom because that's what happens when it doesn't drain. So I'm gonna go try to fix it now. But first I'm gonna pour myself a glass of wine so that I can get through this. Hi Charlie, do you wanna help me? Do you wanna help me? No? Okay. These are the only glasses I have. I don't wanna do this at all. Oh. All right, better be, bitches. Now let's see if it works. Yes, I think it worked. Oh my god, it did. Oh my god, I think it worked. Stop. Okay, now I gotta put everything back in. Go. While I'm here, I might as well walk downstairs because I think I got a package today and I'm gonna take down the styrofoam and the cardboard box from the mirror while I'm at it. I'll catch up with you guys when I get back. Okay, I'm back. That was annoying. I didn't get a package, so I don't know why I got a call at the door earlier because there was nothing there for me. So either they meant to call the girl next to me because she had a bunch of stuff down there, so maybe they mixed the numbers up, or I actually did get something and someone stole it. So I guess we'll never know. But I did take down the cardboard and the styrofoam from the mirror, which is good because that was quite large. I mean, I might as well just keep cleaning my kitchen now that I've fixed the damn dishwasher and walked a mile. I have some cups to wash that I can't put in the dishwasher, and then I have some stuff that I can put in the dishwasher, but obviously the dishwasher is running right now. So I'm just not gonna wash the things that I can put in the dishwasher. I'm gonna wait until the next cycle.